What's up, guys? So today I thought it would be cool to make a video on my truck and do a tour of it and show y'all some things I've done to it and talk about the truck itself. So let's get started. Alright, so this is the truck from the outside. And no, the truck did not come like this off the lot. I did some of my few aftermarket stuff on it. This is a 2020 Ford F150 Lariat. I bought it brand new. So this color is an abyss gray. I love this color. Probably one of the few reasons why I chose to go with Ford. Some of the things I've done to it on the outside, guys, is wheels and tires. These are 34-inch tires with 20x9 gloss black niche rims. And then I also had a leveling kit put on. It's a 2.5 Mammoth inch leveling kit to accommodate for the bigger tires. These are some AlphaRex Pro Series LED headlights with sequential turning signals. I love those. The factory came with just halogen bulbs, and they didn't have daytime running lights on the factory headlights, so I had to switch up. What else did I get done? So the running boards came off the lot like that, factory. And we got the lights replaced in the cargo or third brake light replaced with LED bulbs, and then our license plate lights has been replaced with LED bulbs. And then I got this installed, the Tailgate assist, which is really nice. I would recommend that as one of your first mods to your F150. And then another favorite part of the truck is probably the bed liner, which the dealership had done for me. I asked them, because one thing I want to do to the bed of the truck, I realized is I didn't realize that this truck didn't come with the factory bed lights. So I'm thinking about installing some bed lights just for, just to have them. Either go aftermarket or try to go to the dealership and see if I can get them installed or buy them and get the OEM one. Oh, I also got this installed, the Wheell liner. Got that installed. I think it's by Rough Country, I believe. So I bought that just to install, just to protect dirt and stuff. And then that's pretty much it on the outside, guys. And I'm gonna show y'all the inside. Oh, I also got one thing done under the hood. Let me make sure. So I show y'all that. Let's go in here. Bam. Pop this bad boy open. And then one thing I got under the hood is my cold air intake by Airaid. And this is a 5.0 Coyote engine with a 10-speed automatic transmission, obviously, because they don't make manuals on these trucks. I showed you the only thing I've done under the hood so far. So let's go inside and talk about, or not really talk about, but show you some things I love on the inside. Alrighty. Alright, so let's get in the inside. So as you can see, on the inside we got leather everything. You got the center console shifter, which is one of my favorites and favorite feature on vehicles. One of the main reasons why I chose to go with Ford, because I wanted a vehicle with a center console shifter. My old truck was like that, and I just like having the center console shifter right there for some odd reason. So yeah, don't knock me, guys. And then the center infotainment system, it's cool. I like it. It's nothing too crazy. It's functional. It's convenient. It's a lot of buttons, a lot of knobs, which I'm okay with. But I wouldn't complain if I had something that was a bigger screen, like the 21s I've seen. That would have been the perfect setup. The 21s with the bigger screen and less buttons and knobs. But it's cool. I like it. It's easier to, try to tap on it and try to click on whatever you need to click on while you're driving. You don't have to go through the screen and start looking for it and stuff like that. So that's cool. This is 4-wheel drive. Oh shoot, 4-wheel drive. Let's see, it's 4-wheel drive. You got your 2 high, you got your 4 automatic, 4 high, 4 low. I haven't used this yet since owning the truck. So since buying the truck, and I had the truck for almost 6-7 months. So, and then you got the trailer. I low-key can't wait to use this. The trailer assist backup. I can't wait to use that. I gotta find a way to use that some way, somehow. And then you got your trailer brakes, which is cool. You got your heated and cool seats. Comes with Apple CarPlay, which is a big deal too. I think all vehicles nowadays has Apple CarPlay. And then the back is pretty plain, just leather seats. Excuse my wardrobe, my closet. You got your plugs right here. There we go. Really convenient for your passenger in the back, especially on road trips. And then, oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all, one of the things I got replaced on the inside was the floor mats, because the factory floor mats were trash. They kept getting dirty fast. They just looked cheap. Like, they did not look good at all. So I got those replaced. These are the, let me see. These are the Proven Ground Trushield floor mats. So I got the whole truck matted up. So got the front driver's side, front passenger. They all fit perfect too. So I love the way it fits. You can see how it kind of like literally fits perfect, and it covers up the sides so you don't get dirt or mud on the sides, and it goes all the way up to damn near the firewall. So, and it covers up underneath the pedal, which is great. And then, yeah, so it's just like that on the passenger, and then it's just like that on the back too. See, look, boom, 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 boom. There we go. Yeah, I usually keep my truck clean too, guys, so don't worry. Don't kill me in the comment section. It's so hard to keep a black truck or a black interior clean when you're stepping on gravel and grass and mud all day. My favorite feature on the inside of the truck, guys, probably the panoramic or the double panel sunroof. Yeah, must have. My next truck, I told myself when I had my old truck, my next truck has to have a double panel or panoramic sunroof. So, and I got one, so I'm really happy about that. I'm thankful for that. I'm so grateful for this truck, guys. Yeah, so that's pretty much it from inside. that'll be the conclusion of the video, guys. So let me know, guys, like I said in the comment section, if I should do a review or a more in-depth review of the vehicle. Thank y'all so much for watching. Hopefully y'all tune into the next video. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Peace out.